Protect your child from needless injury in an automobile accident. All children outgrow their car safety seats, but may still be too small for seatbelts designed for grown-ups. And when seatbelts are uncomfortable, kids don't wear them properly, creating the potential for danger. The answer? SafeFit, an award-winning product designed to adjust your child's seatbelt so it's worn safely and comfortably. SafeFit just slips onto the seatbelt and directs it over the shoulder rather than across the neck of your child. This crash test shows what happens in a head-on collision. The dummy in the background wears the seatbelt incorrectly, while the dummy in the foreground is properly restrained with SafeFit. Help your child get in the habit of buckling up properly. It's a habit that will last a lifetime.
Call 1-800-592-1222 and receive your SafeFit for just $14.95 plus shipping with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. That's 1-800-592-1222 or send check or money order to the address on your screen.